Hello everyone, welcome to write this nice algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here we have 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. So now we solve this problem for two methods. So now we discuss here our first method. So here you remember one thing is that we just solve this problem without using the calculator, or in other words, calculator is not allowed in this problem. Okay, so now we can solve this problem by two method without using the calculator. So here first method we focus on the base of this term, and you see here we have a 9 over 4, and we write 9 as 3 squared, and we write this 4 as 2 squared, and its whole power is 9 over 4. And now in the next step, you see here, if we have a to the power of m over b to the power of m, then we write it as a over b and its whole power m. So now we use here this nice exponential law on the base of this term, so that now we combine these two exponents and it will be written as 3 over 2 and its whole square, and its whole exponent is 9 divided by 4. So after that, here we have another exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So that now we multiply these two exponents and it will be written as 3 over 2 and its exponent is 2 multiplied by 9 over 4. And you see here these two 2's are 4, and we write this expression as 3 over 2 and its whole exponent is 9 over 2. So now you focus on this exponent 9 over 2, and we write this expression as in this form 3 over 2, and you see here this is 9 and we write it as 8 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is 9, we write 9 as 8 plus 1 over 2. And now here we break this fraction and it will be written as 3 over 2 and its exponent is 8 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2. And you see here these two 4's are 8, and we will obtain here 3 over 2 and its exponent is 4 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so after that here we again use another exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So now we apply this nice exponential law on this term, and here we just break the exponent and it will be written as 3 over 2 and its exponent is 4 multiplied by 3 over 2 and its exponent is 1 divided by 2. And now after that here first we just separate these two fractions, and here we apply another exponential law. If we have a over b to the power of m, we write it as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So according to this exponential law, we write this term as 3 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4, and we write this number into the radical form because this is in exponential form. When we write in radical form, it will be written as in this way. Okay, so now here you see that 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81, and it is divided by 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is equals to 16. Okay, and here you have 3 over 2 square root, and we here we just simplify this term, and now we multiply this term by square root of 2 and divided by square root of 2. So here we use the radical law and we combine the square root of these two terms and square root of these two terms as well. So you get here 3 multiplied by 2 square root, and this 2 square root and this 2 square root is multiplied by, and you get only 2 here. So finally you get here 81 into square root of 6 divided by 16 to the 32. So this is the our simplified answer in this question by first method. And now here in second method, first we copy down the given question statement. It is 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4, and here we focus on this exponent. And if you see here, our exponent is 9 over 4, and we write this 9 as 8 plus 1 over 4. So here if we break this fraction, then we write it as 8 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So you see here 4 2s are 8, then you get 2 plus 1 over 4. So here we now replace this exponent by 2 plus 1 over 4, so that our above equation is written as 9 over 4, and its exponent is 9 over 4 is equals to 9 over 4, and its exponent, we replace this 9 over 4 by 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, so after this step, here we just break this fraction and we write it as 9 over 4 squared into 9 over 4, and its exponent is 1 over 4. And now you see here, when you separate this square on both of these terms, then the square of 9 is written as 81 and the square of 4 is written as 16. And we know that 9 is square of 3 and 4 is square of 2, and its whole exponent is 1 over 4. And now here we need to combine the square on both of these two terms, and it is written as 81 over 16 into 3 over 2 whole square, and its exponent is 1 over 4. So you see here, these 2 2s are 4, and we will obtain 81 over 16 into 3 over 2, and its exponent is 1 over 2. So we write this 1 over 2 as 81 over 16 into square root of 3 over 2. So here we multiply inside of this square root by 2 in this way. Okay, so you see here, this will becomes 81 into square root of 6 divided by, this is 2 times of 2 square root, and a square root 2 times of 2 is 4 square root, and 4 square root is equals to 2. So 16 times of 2 will be written as 81 into square root of 6 is divided by 32. So this is the our simplified answer in second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.